Today we're making flambe shrimp scampi with Jack Daniels as our flame. So here we go. So we got the garlic in here already, sauteed. Time to drop the shrimp in. Jack Daniels flambe shrimp. Yippers. With garlic. That's because they heat up full blast. So, get some Louis spice. Bam. Yeah, the shrimp scampi. Garlic smells great. I love garlic. And this has 7 spices in it. Sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, chubritsa, that's a Bulgarian spice, and paprika, sweet red pepper. Cap on it. Give it a few minutes. A little bit of coffee. Oh yeah. Then we'll slap a flame to it. Oh yeah, Flambe. I'll thicken it up. Burn that alcohol off. Okay, and you Flambe, baby. That smells really good. They're cooked. right. Time to plate and eat. All right, let me put this up a little closer to the camera so you guys can see what they look like now. After it's cooled down just a little bit. Still steaming. That stuff is excellent. Now we're plated. With our broccoli on the bottom, underneath the noodles. With that noodles are pesto sauce with shrimp scampi, Jack Daniel's flambe on top of your noodles and broccoli. Enjoy. Bon appetit. And tasty too. Oh hell no, I forgot the Parmesan cheese. The real stuff. This stuff was grated. Instead of salt, we use the real Parmesan cheese so you don't over salt. And when you use the butter, unsalted butter. That way when you use this stuff, you're not getting too much salt. You don't want too much salt in your diet. Tasty too.